Hi grade 1. Today in math we are going to be working on equal and not equal, and we've already learned what the sign for equal is. We haven't learned it for not equal yet. So first we are going to figure out equal or not equal using balances, and we already learned that if the balance is straight, that means what's on each side should be the same. But just in case, let's ask Joelle. Joelle, how many blocks are on this side? Yes, 3. Thanks, Joelle. How about it on this side? 3. Yes, Joelle. So Joelle, does 3 equal 3? Yes, and that's what equal looks like. Look, see? Equals. They're straight. But how about if I take 2 off of that side? Are they equal now? Let's ask. Who could we ask? Joelle. How many on this side? 1. How many on this side? Is 1 the same as 3? Are they equal? Does that look equal to you? No. So we're going to put a line through it. Kind of like when you see the no smoking signs. No, not equal. 1 is not the same as 3. Thanks, Joelle. So let's look. If we put these on the balance, would they be equal or not equal? So here we have 2, and here we have 2. Those are the same, equal. Here we have 3, and here we have 2. That would be not equal. What do you think? Equal or not equal? Not. 5 is not the same as 4. How about over here? Yes, 4 is the same as 4. It doesn't matter if it's in a cube or stacked more like a triangle, 4 is still the same as 4. So are the sides equal? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But see this? Here we have 4 all stuck together. And here we have 1, 2. Get rid of the circle. 2 and 2, which is the same as equal to 4. 2 and 2, which is still 1, 2, 3, 4. If I switch it to the other side, it's still 4 is the same as 2. See, 1, 2, and 1, 2. 4 is the same as 4. 2 plus 2 is the same as 4. Because math always makes sense. So let's write these addition sentences, and who could we ask? I bet you know! Star of the week! Okay, star of the week. That's a little teeny tiny. Let's make it bigger. How many do we see up top there? I see 1. And underneath, I see 3. That's the same as what's on the other side, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. And even if we switch it around and start with 4 on this side, that's still the same as 1 and 3. Good job, Joelle. How about over here? Here we start with, count them, 5. And that's the same as How many in the first column? 3. And how many in the second column? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you should remember 3 and 2 make 5 because we practiced that a lot. On this side, we have 1 cube, and then we have 2 cubes. And is that the same as 3 cubes? 1 and 2 equals 1, 2, 3. Yeah, sure, see? 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is the same as 3 equals 3. Oh, this is way too hard. You'll never, ever be able to get it. So, how many are in the first column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bet you don't know what number to write. Why, yes, it's 6, not 6b. Not 6b. Is the same as how many blocks in the first column? 3. And how many blocks in the second column? 2. And how many blocks in the last column? 1. Is it true that 6 is the same as 3 plus 2 plus 1? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the same. 6 is the same as equals 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that's what you have to do today. On the first page, you have to write equals or not equals. First, so you have to count. There's 3 over here. Boop. There's 3 over here. Oh, that's the same. You should do the numbers first, otherwise you're not going to know. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5 is not the same. So you're going to say it's not equals. And on this side, you have to write the number sentence. 1 plus 2 and 3 is the same as 1 plus, this is not very neat. I sure hope you write better than I can with my finger. This is bonus, so you shouldn't have to do it, but I really think you can do it, so I think you should do it, because it's only 2 pages, and I really don't think it's that hard. So that's what you do today, equal and not equal.